Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Grid Drawing app. This powerful tool assists artists in accurately reproducing images by breaking them down into manageable sections. It simplifies complex drawings, making them accessible for everyone, from beginners to seasoned professionals. You can easily import any reference image directly into the application, and it will overlay a customizable grid onto your chosen picture, providing a clear guide for your artistic endeavors. Customizing your grid is crucial for an optimal drawing experience. You can easily adjust the number of horizontal and vertical grid lines, typically from 2 by 2 up to 20 by 20, to match your desired level of detail. Experiment with different grid line colors and thicknesses to ensure maximum visibility against your reference image. The app also allows you to zoom in on specific grid squares, and you can toggle the grid visibility on and off to preview your progress seamlessly. The Grid Drawing app provides a comprehensive suite of essential drawing tools to bring your vision to life. You will find various options, including pencils, pens, and brushes, each with adjustable sizes and opacities. Select from a wide palette of colors to match your reference image precisely, ensuring accuracy. The undo and redo functions are readily available for quick corrections, and the robust layer system helps you organize different elements of your drawing independently for greater control. Once your masterpiece is complete, the app makes saving and sharing incredibly straightforward. You can save your projects directly within the application, allowing you to return and continue working on them at any time. When ready, export your finished drawing in popular image formats such as JPEG or PNG, choosing your desired resolution and quality settings. You can then effortlessly share your artwork directly to various social media platforms or send it via email to friends and family.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.